It's mid-May in Oxford Bay, and 9 space cadets get together. They dig deep, they take Polaroids, they fiddle with objects, go on dates on trains, bite bones, look menacingly but lustfully at corporate executive types saying they'll bleep, bleep, and bleep them. Qigong on the beach, arty-farty stretches, led by 2 sadistic mentor-tutor types. What craziness, what fools would ever go through something? Only brave fools such as yourselves. It has been a pleasure. Thanks for letting us be a part of the journey. Don't be strangers. Stay in touch.
I can't believe that I'm here. That's how excited I am. I think it'll take me another few minutes to absorb. But yeah, I'm really excited for this workshop. It's really great. It's supporting people like me, which is, 1 in a million chances that happens. So I'm really enjoying this. Yeah. Sometimes people just want to tick the box in terms of diversity without really putting the hard work in finding the talent. They just want to find the color. And a workshop like this is amazing because they actually put the hard work in to find the talent and people of color who do not get much opportunities, but also whoever gets it is worth it. So that's something, I really like about this.
As an artist, it's really great to connect with people who you can be inspired by, hopefully inspire, but also have the potential to collaborate, whether it's on this week specifically or in the future. And I think that's something really exciting. I don't know what the week holds in terms of what's been planned for us and what we're going to be developing, but I'm excited for whatever that is. And I'm excited to be in this beautiful surrounding, because I think, you can be creative anywhere, but being surrounded by nature, and there's the phrase blue sky thinking, and here is definitely that. You've got blue sky, you've got sea, you've got the sand. It's just stunning, and I feel like this kind of environment is really conducive to being creative and having exciting ideas and rolling with them.
It's a bit of a cliche to say, but writing is a really insular vocation, so you don't usually get a lot of feedback. So it'd just be interesting to just get that sort of FaceTime with other writers and to see what other people are about. I think programs like this are important because, in this industry, sometimes you could feel a little bit disconnected from your sort of fellow creatives. There isn't always paid opportunities like this kicking around. In fact, I don't think I've ever come across any. So that was an extra incentive to come across. So it's not as if, you've paused your work for a week. It's this becomes work, and it's necessary.
Hi guys, I just wanted to say hello, and I was waiting for a good light book. And I just wanted to tell you that this workshop was one of the best workshops that I have ever been part of. And I'm not just saying it, I really feel that it was like that. And the best part of it was that you really, really were cheering for each other. And it was so obvious and it was so lovely to feel. So I just wanted to say, please keep that energy, and I'll be cheering on you on the sidelines. I'm so happy that all your projects are moving forward, and I hope to see you sometime somewhere around, maybe at a festival or something like that. Or if you come to Copenhagen, let's have a glass of wine, beer, or whatever. It's lovely here, but it's really cold. My hand is falling off, so I'll stop here. Good luck. Yeah, lots of love to you all.